a journalist, my heart aches for my country drowned by corruption, for the lives lost to earthquakes and typhoons, and for journalists like Mariam Abu Dada from Gaza, who died for truth. We are not born in fear, but to hope, to love, and to live in peace. Peace begins when parents teach children with compassion, leaders embody humility,
Magaling.
youth find their purpose, and when
Journalist
we live
naman.
with empathy and kindness. Han Ponrag, Tap, Rabab, Siap, Sianti, Nanti, Susu, Santipaka. Let love be
Pinag-aralan.
the grandest voice to peace.
Diba? Nice.
Miss Grand.
Miss Grand Philippines.
Puta ka. Ayun na si Emma.